Good morning and good evening. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi barakatuh, sister, brother and friends. I hope everybody fine, alhamdulillah. And now I have very good for you best Islamic reminder, quotes Qur'an. But first, subscribe my channel. Please don't forget to leave your comment and subscribe and share. Thank you. I said my sins are so many. Allah said, and who can forgive sins except Allah? I said, do not leave me. Allah said, so remember me, I will remember you. I said, I am passing a lot of difficulties in life. Allah said, and whoever fears Allah, He will make for him a way out. I said, I have many dreams that I want to come true. Allah said, call upon me, I will respond to you. Is it true that those who make the Hajj night prayer have the most beautiful face? And he said, yes, because they seclude themselves with Allah and Ramadan, and He clothed them with His light. Thank you. Assalamualaikum rahmatullahi barakatuh.